What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabsome besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. So we've got Rainbow High, giving us detailed fashion, painted accessories, inset eyes, and articulation. Well, we did lose some recently. Yeah, some more than others. But I'm getting distracted. Where was I? Oh yes. Then we got Junior High, which were pretty much the same dolls, but smaller. We still get all those details in the clothing, large inset eyes, and articulation. Oh yeah, they lost some too. This is Rainbow High Junior High Sunny Madison with a pajama party theme. I bought this doll at Target for $19.99. Wearing yellow long sleeve pajamas, the fabric has a lot of texture, it's fun, and she comes with pretty detailed accessories. I'm guessing that this is a speaker. Let me know in the comments down below if I'm wrong, but it also kind of reminds me of a smart home device. There are 2 microphones, cute little slides with painted details, hair clips, a tablet, and a light projector. The dolls are around the same size. However, the pajama Sunny has flat feet and the other one is on an incline. The new Sunny has lost wrist articulation and at the upper thigh. But I think her face is cute. I personally could do without the glitter, but still cute. Whoa, that's a lot of eyeliner. So when you all said, Toya, you gotta check out Rainbow High Littles, I was like, okay. Rainbow High dolls with all the fashion and articulation, but just smaller. Sign me up. Oh, littles as in little sisters. Okay. Honestly, I was thinking Rainbow High, but 1/12 scale. But no, more like a Rainbow High Chelsea doll. I bought this doll on Amazon for $9.99. The box is about 7.5 inches tall. We can see the name of the character in the top corner. This is Sapphire Bradshaw. We also have Indigo Bailey, Amethyst Willow, Magenta Monroe, and Daisy Madison. You can see all of the available characters in the picture on the back. And at the bottom it says, there is no best friend like a little sister. Let's get these dolls out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, we get a doll with the basic 5 points of articulation. The head can turn from side to side. Can it go up and down? No. The arms can go forward and back. Can they go out to the side? Doesn't seem like it. The legs can go forward and back. Well, kind of back. Can they go out to the side? No. So this is the range of motion for her legs. This doll has her hands doing a peace sign. While I think it's kinda cute, I also find it kinda limiting. She has rooted hair with a little braid on one side and it's pulled into a ponytail on the other. This doll has painted or printed eyes and a shimmery lip color. She comes with a solid color pair of shoes. They do have a nice amount of details molded in. We get a small purse, it's a solid yellow, it can open, and we get a little crystal-like pet with a unicorn horn. As for the doll's dress, the top is like a flexible plastic with the skirt sewn to it. It's a pleated fabric skirt with a layer of tulle underneath. The pleats and the print on the fabric go all the way around, and there's a little piece of Velcro in the back. It's like fabric doll clothes mixed with Polly Pocket clothes. If Chelsea dolls give us painted on tops, I guess Rainbow High Littles are giving us partially plastic clothing. But with this doll, the skirt is super cute. I do wish they were separate pieces, but I do like that we can remove the top, so we can switch out the clothes with other dolls. And look at that! Her outfit is 2 separate pieces. The top is sculpted. It looks like a denim vest with a white shirt underneath, but they are all one piece. And it is split in the back, paired with a skirt that has little tiny belt loops and a faux button. There are little sewn pockets in the back, but they are sewn closed. She has blue curly hair pulled into 2 pigtails. It's braided at the top which is such a cute detail. The hair is soft and bouncy. When we look closely at the eyes, we can see that there is some kind of digital print. However, it's very smooth. It does have a little bit of a shine, but it's not bad. The eyebrows are not shiny. However, when looking closely at Daisy's eyes, I can see that it's a little pixelated. To me, it looks better than your average Barbie fashionista, but not as crisp as this Monster High. And just by comparing two dolls in the same line, we can see that results may vary. Sapphire comes with light blue shoes, a blue bag that is open, and another one of these in blue. With shoes on, this doll stands around 6 inches tall, being a similar height to a Chelsea doll. Here is Magenta with pink hair with a little bit of curl to it. It does not feel as soft and may require a little care out of the box. She has blue eyes, a shimmery lip color. She has a fuzzy pink jacket that is lined? Yes, this tiny little jacket is lined. Then they gave her this plastic fabric dress with nice fabric. Why? Sorry about that. But seriously, why? Because they can totally do tiny little details. So why not just give us fabric tops? This doll comes with pink shoes with a sculpted zipper on the side. She comes with a purse that does have an opening at the top and one of these. Here's Indigo Bailey. She comes with purple and pink braids that might need a hot water rinse to help them lay down. They are a little bulky. She has a purple eye color, a little red on the lips. It kind of fades out. It also has that shimmer. She's wearing a purple dress. The top is plastic. The bottom is fabric. There's an underskirt. She has purple shoes and a lavender bag with a small quilted print. It does open at the top. And one of these. Here's Amethyst, also with shades of purple in her hair. Out of the box, her curls are a little crunchy. She wears her hair in pigtails with 2 curls on the sides. She has blue eyes, wears a plastic t-shirt that says Good Vibes, has a pair of shorts. The shorts have belt loops and tiny little patches. The shirt and the shorts are 2 separate pieces, and the shorts Velcro in the back. She comes with purple glitter boots, a lavender sling bag, and one of these. Those shorts are really cute, and I wonder... Oh, they have pockets on the back. I wonder if they can fit a Chelsea doll. They're staying up, but I think they're a tiny bit large. And I was able to get those Chelsea shorts on Amethyst. It's a pretty nice fit, but it was kind of difficult to get them on. Rainbow High Little's feet are larger than Chelsea feet. I cannot get this Chelsea shoe on a Rainbow High doll, but these boots can totally work with a Chelsea doll. And Indigo's sneakers work as well. And it's super easy to balance them to stand. Can the Rainbow High dolls stand? Yes they can. I like that. Oh, and her hands are shaped a little different too. I have this little doll body I bought a while ago. I bought it on Amazon for like $20. It's 11 centimeters in the skin tone normal white. I also picked up Opal Rain so we could see the whole group. She has white hair that might need a little attention out of the box. There are soft rainbow highlights on top. She has purple and blue eyes, a soft pink lip color. It is pearly. She has a molded removable top with an attached skirt in tulle. There is an attached underskirt and a bow in the front. Her hands are positioned similar to Magenta's. She has pale lavender shoes, comes with a pink beaded purse, and one of these. Personally, for me, they could have kept all of the pets and gave me more articulation or fabric clothes. Let's see if we can get a little more articulation by placing a Rainbow High Little's head on this articulated body. Out of all the dolls, I think Opal is the best match, with Amethyst and Magenta being a close second. I place the doll in a plastic bag, then into a cup of hot water to soften the head so it can be removed. I changed the neck peg on the new body. Then let's add the head. And here she is. The dress is a little large at the top. The skin tone is not a perfect match, but it's pretty close. She does come out to be a little bit shorter, and the neck is shorter as well. But she is fully articulated and can be posed in a variety of different ways while maintaining a similar size. So that could be an option if you're looking for a way to give them a little more articulation. I wonder if they can fit a Zoe doll body from Five Below. This one is not a perfect match for Daisy. This one is not a perfect match either, but it gives you an idea of what the proportions would look like. Or of course, you can always leave them as is. Overall, when it comes to Rainbow High Littles, I would have loved to have seen all fabric clothing and a little more articulation, but I do think their faces are cute. I have become mainly a Sunny collector, so little Daisy is a must for me. And I do enjoy seeing more variety added to the line. I just wanted with articulation. But seriously, that's cute. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Rainbow High Littles. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time. Bye!